Good morning everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, i-feature ko ito ngayon sa inyo, itong pinakamalaking bahay namin, no? Dito sa kasaysayan ng Antel Grand Village and Grand Forbes, which is our Olivia model unit. But i-feature ko ngayon itong ongoing construction na Olivia model with the lot area of at least 192 square meters with a floor area of 249 square meters. So it has 2 car garage with 3 bedrooms and 1 office room sa ground floor. Alright, so makikita nyo sa bahay mo is the theme is Spanish Mediterranean, and meron siyang 3 meters na setback sa harapan, meron siyang 2 meters na setback sa gilid, meron siyang 2 meters na setback sa other side, meron pa siyang 2 meters na setback sa likod ng bahay. And this is the facade. Wow, it's our Olivia model unit. Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, please watch this. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button for the latest update. Or you can message me in my WhatsApp and Viber at 0927-472-4976. Or you can chat me in my messenger at Reynaldo Jr. Pundulan Miliada to get the latest update. Alright, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, no, samahan niyo po ako. Pasukin natin itong Dream Come True House dito po sa Antel Grand Village, Grand Forbes. So this is your parking space wherein it can accommodate 2 SUVs, and you have the area na 2 meters wherein later on pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng fence at inyo po siyang lagyan ng halaman. And then actually po ang pinakamaganda dito sa portion na ito is because of their main entry point. Look at this, guys. Wow, napakaganda. It's a very impressive, and even the tiles they are using po is matte. And look at this. Wow. May flooring na po siyang granite tiles na white. And this is the ground floor. It's very large area. So it's a large area. Actually, this is the ground floor. And this is the living area. You have the lanay area dito sa gilid po. And meron kayong island bar. Wow, look at that. And then look at the kitchen area. So anlaki. And the most beautiful part dito po sa bahay na ito is because dito sa ground floor you have this very large den or office area, so it convertible into room. And look at the ventilation, it's so large, no? Ang lalaki ng kanilang mga bintana, and even the ceiling, no, ang lalaki. So this house po is a complete, no, may fixtures na siya and with the outlets. And dito po sa ilalim, sa baba, you have this common toilet and bath. And look at this. Actually, ngayon po is a storage area, but the size is very large. And of course, no, even dito po sa back door, wow, you still have this 2 meters. And then, nakapaikot po siyang nakasemento. Then, try natin, no, ayan, wow. Your property is until here. And meron pa siyang isang service area dito sa likod ng bahay. And look at the color, it's so green, no? Green and white, two-tone, which is very perfect, malamig sa mata. But look at the size, it's a row house. Wow, para na siyang isang malaking building. It's because of the floor area. The floor area of 249 square meters. And this is the lanay area. Wow, look at this. This side po, maglalagay po dito ng sliding door. And of course, kung may kasama kayong may matanda na hindi nakakaakyat, actually guys, mayroon pa siyang isang rampahan, which is enough, no? Kung may mga wheelchair. Well, hanggang dito po. Actually po, this house is now construction. And pinapakita ko lang sa inyo how big is the panel na ginagamit. Look at this. Wow, it's so nice. It's so big. And even the switches, meron na siya. And then the outlets. And then ang switches ito is a 3-way. But the main door is steel door. Wow, look at it. Samahan niyo po ako sa akitin natin. Wow, dito sa baba meron kang storage area. Look at this. Oh, it's perfect. I think ang ganda nito. I think, wow, meron pa siyang family hall area here, no? Look at this. The house is so big. This is the second floor. And look at the ventilation, ang liwanag. Actually, hindi pa siya tapos. Pero makikita mo yung structural design na gawa ng Antel is so impressive. Check natin yung bedroom 1. This is the bedroom 1 and look at the doors. Ang maganda dito, ang laki. See? Ang maganda dito, bawat bedroom, meron kang balcony area. Each bedroom has balcony area. Then check natin yung another room. This is the another room. Wow, so nice. And ito yung roofings natin, mga tigula. Wow guys, it's a tiles. Ang bigat niya, pero maganda yan siya, parang hindi mainit yung bahay. But the space is so big, no? Very spacious yung mga rooms. And dito sa itaas, mayroon siya isang common CR. Look at this. Hindi pa siya gaanong gawa, but the size, no? Pinapakita ko yung size. So large, no? Laki. And then, let's check the master's bedroom. Wow. Guys. Wow, the master's bedroom is parang living room na ng ibang bahay. Wow, look at this. Diba? Ito po, ang bahay na ito is ginagawa siya ng 12 months. Kaya, kasi malaki siyang unit. And of course, dito sa master's bedroom, you have this area na walk-in closet. Look at this. Wow, and then, dito po sa area ng master's bedroom, meron maglalagay pa ng isang bathtub. Wow, it's so large. And, check natin yung balcony area. Today, is ginagawa na yung kanya. Ayan po, nag-aayos na siya ng mga tiles. Wow, the balcony is so large, so big. Ayan. So, ayan po guys. Pinapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ka dedicated yung ating developer. And then the quality itself, it's priceless. Okay, kung nagustuhan nyo po ang bahay na ito, ang video na ito, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Itong bahay na ito is Olivia model dito po sa Grand Forbes. The question is, pwede bang itayo dito sa Anyana? Basta kaya ng lupa mo, pa-quote tayo. Thank you so much and God bless.